but you're able to tell.
Yeah, for that one.
What to make sure?
Yes.
When say NPP primary see now. What to make sure? So when
NPP primary see meaning the oberene.
Why?
Honum. The tia.
So why?
Oh, the oberene.
Why? Number 1 and number 3 and number 4.
Numbers ni obi abetumi awene.
Want to media work as 15 years or more or better me. And no, if there
is nothing there is nothing politics about this. This is somebody's personality. It's somebody's personal life.
I didn't call court also better than 15 years.
I have seen before time.
You know, ND and Komomeka, Roja. Obofour Roja City watena se ye nim command ye hwe de ko ene de benya Obofour bi aboko de
nyame admo pani na so e
radiatom kakra ye guso a
de radias
obedu se de ne ye ese nyina ye de ensa wo mu bi ne edi bie wo hu da me bi aboko de
nyame adom
nice o se wo nye prophet o ye see right
sanity
okay so we don't have to give you a title as Prophet Samuel on Henry, right?
Title be admin bia me call no
okay
and as of Roja
okay
for 1 or 2 security reasons being me person I want to go by Prophet Roja and as of Roja
okay
and now me come baby
okay now in sunsunya them you can be a prophet any seer
yeah in sunsunya them there is a difference between a seer and a prophet
okay
every seer is a prophet but not all prophet are seers
you
are the hunu for on your OD for
okay
okay.
Okay. And to all your combination of prophet and a seer. And know them. It is you're from Prophet Roja. Fine.
BBS.
Nice. But a friend is saying it's been back and forth with this issue of politics in this country. I say I saw for move more and more fans. I mean, is it the fact that one more person moko and a ba and a mobile can be
okay? My main family, I'm on fact. Maybe I am not into politics, and I don't work for any political party. And since I am not in that field, I can't say much about that. On say the onimu teno ye de ni gina tworo no ano se de be akrantie na be pio se den yo na ne wakuno ezan say me ni ho experience nti minti menka ne kese wan hwe a meka be wie no man kan chia na meka ko ano to avoid any inconveniences the main per se because I am not in that field on say you be you asofo ni bi and ye hu yete ye wasofo ni binom a nyame adom awurade amom adom a omwo hu nim de but me de me nyame djuma mu no me share dan e bia na along the line no and e bia awurade be ya adom de a but sisi ya me no ka say de me share da ni hu nim de kese sa
no okay but you able to tell
yeah for that one
to make sure fan say bia say NPP primary see na to make sure so when
NPP primary see meaning the oberene
why
wo honum the tia me
so why
oh the oberene
why number 1 and number 3 and number 4
numbers ni nyina obi abetumi awene
okay
1 betumi awene 2 betumi awene 3 betumi awene 4 betumi awene em so me 5 nso betumi awene but race ni jina nipa miensa so
okay
jina nipa miensa so
why
jina 1 2 3 no so number 1 number 2 number 3 Bawumia Bryan omomiensa ba ko na be we
okay but don't show you strong pa na ehwan
obi are strong
okay
omomiensa obi are strong in the spirit physically should be are strong on the delegates no wonu mu asem no be jina so mbeto abade ama into omomiensa no obi are very stronger there is a possibility she will be able to me away
but so for if there's a possibility say delegates na omo etumi determine how come say asofo ni be etumi amount specifics okay sadi we betumi see even in election general election and
yes I gave a prophecy about President Mahama and then I gave the point he's going to win with ministers MPs or the parliament house specific number that was 3-4 years ago before 2024 election you know who say before say dia be china dia na di kan chin dada was your design and at the chiaba and idea be a besia the chin be can see at the same it because those that take charge at night they control the morning. I don't think I can give you a prophecy which will take you 2, 4, 5 years ahead and sana for failing.
Okay.
It odifo bet me the future. I can say ebi hu kan ba maybe so kan say be embem but odifo bet me am say 2026 omo be ye omo prime is ni ade be wie no A na be we ni B na be we ni entun so mfa ho enti na possible so bet me hu aka but hunu say delegation na ekoto aba enti odifo na wo hunu no wa hunu the results are be free delegation about 20 na oka because odifo no nto bi ti do be kan say bi aba no be kwa akoto no we na be we ni edru hono mu a ampa nso sa na bebem because me tie me nim say ye two we a na be we ni B na be we ni C na be we ni but me I don't want to put my life on the line for now. At the right time no I'll come out Abekan who is going to win the primaries.
Okay.
But for now I don't want to.
So for January
January by November December me so me can be.
Obetimi akere.
Me can with points.
Oh, okay.
Sounds in basi.
Okay. So for say a ban say more the prophecy to her na say na wakan no ebia amemoa. Does it make sir or sofono
a fake prophet?
A fake one,
never,
a bad one?
Never. Listen, we have 2 types of prophecy. We have a conditional prophecy and unconditional. Those that are conditional comes with a condition. So if you are able to meet the conditions, you are good to go. Ebi I say Papa Minimudin.
Me de Kojo prekodam.
Good. Ebi I say Mr. Kojo. Ebenya accident on 17th me de yem fatunwo ana se sika bi ba wa kwen ma me fa nko no ne yenjai the negative no ebia on the 21st November obi be ubenya $2 million ana $2 million Ghana cedis etino yaka achiro nemum before say won sabe kan say sika this is the voice of God the radisi bia ye 21 days fasting ana enti professional be ye conditional.
Okay.
Into 21 days fasting and never professional be for failing.
Okay.
But you would pa. And you will be bit say ubenya sika on this date. Umpo that date in ubenya sika. It only a condition a unconditional. It is no a fact there is nothing you can do about that prophecy. Opa ya kwanchire bompa ye den ebesi. Any of prophecies me I don't see anybody to be a fake prophet.
Okay.
Yeah, and describe will be my own is a fake prophet. Most of times now we see the prophet that deals with oil and directions now we see them to be fake, but that is not true.
Okay.
It's never true. Me can't say me say obi nya prophet but you book.
Yes.
I seen a die sumo no wa kika ni nyansa bom no de actually book. How to be rich. How to be protected by God. It be a divine miracle, destiny changer, destiny helper. Enye ye nyina na ebetimi akoto book akan. Ana obi nso da no so da na Awurade be kire ni say ye ni ahaban no, ye ni adwane mfa ahaban ne nsa yade. Ana ono nso ne da ya sumo no, wa kan ahaban abom. Ana ode aye anointing oil. Eti we gidie wo book akenkan mu kotokan dia wo believe with oil no nkoto no mfa nye n'adwuma eti wo a woni gidie wo oil mu no wo ha ne say obi fra o sha beto obi di traffic mu o cycle mu ase ya e na wo ton book how to be a successful man in 40 days how to be rich in 60 days we ton book no for 6 years oda so di traffic book na ekura no omi emu da onim page 1 de wo honom
enso oton man
oton de mani padi ye nso no mu oni yie
so for
anu na tisa comforting wuram no yesikaduro mo da shani
no emu nyi
na oba no age 20 cedis no de ya bi shama no o so yesikaduro ma it will be how you believe me de will be anye fake prophet ma
okay
ebi anu wa share the right person eno papa obi betimi di ni problem aba ye nyina to ye o de beba obe ye ho adwuma ama no obe kompa ebo ma kire no niam bi obi beka se bi a wa kire obi ade se Awurade na kan ya ade na am Daniel Bompaye Persia honhom they restored the prayer request for days, not a day, days, 21 days. I was here suma another angel mobile no beboa Daniel a Bible so kwada jata mu na mu bompa me yesi ni pa ya no kwan na wa so na ni bretu ni nti no there is no me there me ma dwuni mu no me nyu de obi ka me hu obi aso e fake wo so wo me hwe na hwe na mo wa kwa no tum na ko ba bi
that's all
tie
but also on time per politics and these current affairs but I have heard say
I give prophecies about politics.
Prophecies.
Yes.
So want to media work as 15 years or more or better me. And no if
there is nothing politics about this. This is somebody's personality. It's somebody's personal life.
I didn't call court also so better than 15 years.
I have seen before time. And who say nipa bebre offended say be am cancel. But onu na mu in question me cancel bebre.
Okay.
Right after the show no. Papa de obi na mu no bi nim. So we should not politicize this one. This is not politics. Obi personal life. I am not seeing it from the political aspect of the carry on life. The radida na di na me hu ya me kan ye. And there be a na wona wote na ba bia na de ono na fa no ho no so no bia na obetu ho anamo eti I don't see this to be politics. Yeah, sure.
And also enya dia ubu na tan
no me muna me kura me boa bebre papa wo koto aduane adi na obi ka chose aduane na wukodi na wudro wom so ya sofo so ya komfo so ya den de hian se aduane na wukodi na wudro wom ti jai
a lawyer for na judge for bega say contempt.
No. Me pacho contempt ni say me ka court na say. Me see prophetically what I am seeing in the realms of the spirit. Ayesunsumu ade na me ka say me hunu. Because me ka the thing just came. Say bia makoka ade bi about court no ruling and contempt but the American is say what I am seeing in the realms. I am talking about future and tomorrow is future.
Yes.
Because we've not seen tomorrow yet. Into watching your future. And you know, I don't think say this one has nothing to do with their contempt. Minimum times in a pa. And you be to say be a wap ya the assembly but one I made sure my journey and they are found there. But this is what I am seeing in the spirit.
Okay.
And there be a nipano sutie, you know. A be one way or the other. Nkomobi kure bi anan nkomobi akoso. How would you know? Into what tie na how wono e bi awo how sanity.
So for Osha Ghana CCA, what do you see in the next 2-3 years of us?
Yeah.
With this present government.
Oh yeah, Enyama be yes. Enyama be we all have to wish for the best.
Okay.
Was on mine boy ye nyina kan se Ghana enjoy ya me metina we man opa and me program kese about super very big program. East Legon Hills.
Okay.
East Legon Hills. Let the prophet speak.
Okay.
A prophetic night. Online service.
Okay.
And okay say a man for free Kumasi for the free bus. Bus bear 3 to 4 and a program now. And if there is no peace in the country, ya bear then yasumunyame. I don't know the next 3-4 years. And yama be and yakura ye bomb pay enye because that is what we want. Ayane do baby let's put politics aside. So buy when a baba na sumbi beba o man ni mu e kan ye nyina enye na NPP and enye na NDC bon say ya wo ye ne de niam bia be hye etirimu se ya de niam hye etirimu akodu level bi se mempe obi asem ana ba bi obi wo mi ni wo bi ade o ye bia metan nti NPP ya de pa na menya NPP ni a eye metan NDC ya de pa na menya NDC ni eye metan Mama baye he's doing his best oye na fomu de said na na adon so ba na oye na fomu de tie nyina mfa mpa ye nta na chi se ne time ya wo ba betwa akono eniema nye yie mo man no obi anya ho mfaso kakra metimi aka fa no
ba wo gidie ni se be yie
yanim ebe yie wo se yie nto na bua ye nyina
people have said say bibia NPP ninam CCA ya ye hu de ekoni de ebe in the next 30 years and some be back
eno ye omo ye political analysis no
ba wo hwemu a
me hwe
unhwe
I don't have that eye for now.
Okay.
And ba omo ye a political analysis no so omo mutimi omo they have their own way of doing calculations. Etina me hwe honom na menyi ni se bia me hwe da se me kwa akohwe because we were adwuma yi a
Oh.
Obeba, yes. I've already told you, I don't want to. I am doing my ministry.
Yeah, you don't
it's all about Roja City.
Yes.
Come to the church and be saved. Simple. I don't want to be in a timeline say Prophet Roja NPP shuffle. Prophet Roja NDC shuffle. Me obian fa binya because me I am not in that field.
Okay.
And I don't want to be there. Me ba bontin be boni pass me sidin say e bia we e ba na be win na win ya wa win asi. Me ma ho me ni woni sa ye simple ye koye ba bi me ye me nya me djuma. We hia me abrama sorry down asi. I am I am not a political prophet. Me pa chomo obi nyima no nsi boni o. Me ka se bi obi e boni. On se e bi erade de saadum na mabinom. Ba me saadum ni nyame che ye no. Wa ama me anu ni bi. Me de ya asore de mo de ni enye ye nyame adwuma. Enti de me ka no no.
But I say now say a program ne basu way.
Program ne basu East Legon Hills.
Okay.
And day ya na all night na basu.
And Friday.
And Friday ya na all night no. Basu den East Legon Hills. Maybe a uwo bia no. Uba bi pie mo abehunu so nyame tumi no ano den. Let the prophet speak 2026. Papa mabeka asemi say ensuo we yanim. Ensuo we yanim to obi oteben ba bi a ensuo obi amomoden say obetu afiri ho. Said the beya or yone be ma bon ryan pofrimu to what by baby and so up a dine to flee on them. And until 2026, dear Neda Wenim, and the anarchy all night in the baby. But shed the other when him dear neighbor, Beshidian when Yami what the ma war, a Juma be away, a Juma Bema be an any TB crown and you Bema Babuau, and I won't be a wood bra. Let the prophet speak. But I know Yankupon for deep for some casa because yeah, no, yeah, Tontra Rade Fire Mukasa and Timayensia Nana Jiwa East Legon Hills. But be I will be out do a salbutre school junction.
Yes.
Obedruan na Roja City or bus AC one
okay.
I have branding wunya so any prophet Roja nko dia mo she me picture eda ho for bus ni bi ye do beko e bia na ukura wa wo car e na wo drive di aba okoggo map no so na bo Roja City International e de obeba be drew East Legon Hills one na krom e de obeba be drew onom e ho na program no cause wa wo kwan no so okay nice e wa na sorry ne cause say signboard kese esi kwan no etimayenhia e wo honom na wonyankopon be ma na dwi adansidi abura adansidi so no won sa aka wo de
so fancy no be kokra no me kai say helicopter crash by there was a call that you need to come to impemfo Jubilee. I mean how far obai we see saying akwiti saying
call be about bia matu ho anamon
okay
de ye futu mu no mpanifo de amame
okay
matie nso a me de boa de na me nso me wo ka no me nso maka me gidi se de metie mpanifo de no mo nso etie me de but there is one thing say e bi ogusu ka say no asem bi aba I was waka for that one day
sanka me no kase ya
no kase ya na was after I was waka
I don't know one train na me pon waka kire me
oh yeah what the other train wo hono
okay
yeah the other train me free Angel TV na bay na me ni Sadiq me man prophecy life and I'm catching say ade we be si me be say sie na dance e bam ana maka ana me ka Father Dixon de no we gina kire no mie na ni kire me fe o mie na ni kire me fe
say jai
aja aha na me so me tie ni bo
yes jai and ko ya no kasa na ho he ni mu na bibiba na ho kan say to boke na kasa bia na kojo pon a me ni nkomo na ho na wo kan
because ya woti we kura me yes me wura mu ametimi awura ma me ma obi sesia abie ni ma so very deep ama wa hwefo nyina tie bi me starting so afiri wa ufie the best start afiri wa warem na me bubu ba form
me
na ma beka generation mienu na ma be kire nsem se yenye ye erade mi abie ni ma so ne enko de ankam de be wura ho sesia
me
sana erade de adom ye anonti no sometimes ya na mo ma messenger ne ho enye wahi ba ya ma message ne ho enhia we should stop attacking the messenger and then let's find a way to go with the message because ensem be one by the time about attacking messenger na or they assembly by we na nsuo ajiru nti ya na edu ba bia yentie asɛm no oh na enyema sorry ba na enyem sofo papa awurade betumi ayisu se bi bodam ni abeka asɛm akyerɛ wo ti duru ba bia ya yemfa personality ni nto nkyɛn na yemfa ne se nipa no kro ka asɛm no na adwene nya adwuma wabodam but aside ne dam a wabɔ na asɛm na waka no ebi a bibi betumi afiri mu ayɛden ɛde aba. Until let's stop attacking the messengers. Enye prophet Roja, we have a lot of prophets, genuine men of God. You are short for penifo, papa penifo bebre wa. Ejuma no di kan wo mu awrade do ma beye bi. Yenso ye omoma, yenso ye gusu an kakra. Ye nenam ya so for penifo ne na ase a awrade nso di ye ban kakra. Ti anadwi ma yenhia Roja City International.
Mate. Sofo, yeah, that's so bad. Papa,
me that's be no be beba program ni bi. Yes. My number and to you. Said ya be ya baby I'll be to me afre number 0530 0530 831833 0530 831833 and I say 0245 770446 0245 770446 numbers where your prophet Roja a number ofra penifo and I said the protocol team no and no ebefa now mama direction for the program Mr. Oba program na bo modern free na ye nchira kwan nyame nchira no nchira kesben ahwefo nyina ebripom ne besa ba bio nyame nchira
internet no fa comment fa to comment section ma fi subscribe and like and share for newly updates aha ye bold presence change macro